Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how long it takes for Equifax to update your credit report after a dispute. If you file a dispute with Equifax, they generally have a deadline to investigate the claim. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, or FCRA, Equifax and the data furnisher, which is the creditor or lender, typically have 30 days to investigate your dispute. This 30-day window starts once Equifax receives your dispute and all necessary supporting documents. In some cases, the investigation period can extend up to 45 days. This typically happens if you submit additional information related to the dispute after the initial 30 days, or if you received a free credit report as a result of a negative action, and then filed the dispute within 60 days of receiving that report. If Equifax finds that the information you disputed is inaccurate or incomplete, they are required to update your credit report. This update usually happens within that 30-day investigation timeframe. Essentially, you can generally expect to see the results of the investigation and the resulting correction to your report within about 30 days of filing the dispute. Remember, if you dispute the error directly with the company that reported the information, the furnisher, they also typically have 30 days to investigate and report back to you and the credit bureaus if a correction is needed. For the fastest resolution, ensure your dispute includes all necessary information and supporting documentation when you first submit it. You can usually track the status of your dispute online through Equifax's dedicated dispute center. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.